The paper carry bag is nowadays specially used to support the environment and create a pollution-free atmosphere. Its manufacturing is comparatively cheaper. Hence, a paper carry bag making business is a good opportunity to make decent profits. So, it makes sense to start a paper carry bags business. Paper carry bag making is a small-scale business and will require a minimum investment. If you want to start paper carry bag manufacturing business on a small scale, you will only need a trade license. But, if you are planning something bigger, then you first need to register your company with the Registrar of Companies. Then you will have to apply for the trade license with the local municipal authorities. It requires only 2,000 square feet area space to start paper carry bag business. You have to plan and invest in land, machinery, and labor. You will have to find such a place where electricity charges are less, labor wages are low, rent or the real estate costs are on the lower side, and the cost of other facilities is also less. A semi-urban area is most suitable for this business because of lower taxes. Also, it should be near to your market to keep transportation costs minimum. Always check the durability before purchase the machine for paper carry bag making business, because production is always depend on the output. Paper carry bags making machine are easy to operate. Automatic paper carry bag making machine can make about 120 bags within 1 minute. Without printing, this machine can only make plain bags. With printing, this machine can print logos or designs. These paper bags are made from craft paper. You will only need gum, paper, a ruler, and labor to make the paper carry bags. Since paper carry bag making is a small-scale business, it will not require much labor. You can run a production unit with around 10 people. Most people want to use paper carry bags because of the environmental benefits. All companies want to pack their goods in paper bags due to its eco-friendliness. They are also used for promoting their products. Some of the areas where paper carry bags are used are general purpose, food items, medical use, jewelry packaging, party bags, shopping bags. Promoting your business brand is essential. Without the proper promotion, you are not able to attract customers. Contact the business that are using the plastic carry bags, explain to them the advantages of a paper bag and aware customers, and convert them to use paper bags.